Okay, so as in the last video we have discussed about the hydrogen spectral series. In today's video we're gonna discuss in the diagram, within the diagram, right? So when electron will be falling on n1, what series we'll gonna get, and when it will be falling on n2, what series we'll gonna get, right? So we're gonna explain that, or we're gonna understand that by the help of diagram. So for example, electron from anywhere falling on n1, that we have already discussed, right? n4, n3 and n2. This series is Lyman series, right? This is Lyman series, and they always fall in the region of ultraviolet. Here the n2 can either be 5. Wait, let me write with the series. Here n2 means from where the electron is coming, right? It can either come from 3, 4, or it can come from 5 as well, but always the n1 would be always 1 because electron is falling on n1, right? So n1 would always be 1. Now this was the Lyman series. Let me tell you about the Balmer series. So when electron coming from anywhere falling on n2, the series we get is Balmer series. Here this is Balmer series, and here the n2 would either be, here it would we gonna include 2 as well, right? Because the electron can fall on 2 as well, but the lower energy shell or the shell the electrons will be falling on coming from anywhere, that would be 1 only, right? So Balmer series n2 we're gonna start like n2 can either be 3, 4, 5, means electron can be coming from either third orbit, fourth orbit, fifth orbit, but always it will fall on the second orbit, means n1 would always be 2. And Balmer series fall in the region of what? It falls in the region of visible light. Now we have what? We have third series, which is called Peston series, in which the electron coming from, for example, I have an orbit here as well, right? So electron coming from anywhere falls on n3, the series we get here is Peston series. Here n2 would be like electron can either come from 4, 5, 6, but n1 where the electrons will gonna fall, they'll gonna fall on n3, right? Now we have fourth series. Wait, let me make 3 more, right? Now we have fourth series, and that series is known as bracket series. For example, I have an electron coming from this orbit and falling on this, and falling on this. This series we got here would be bracket series. Here n2 would always be 5, 6, 7, means electron can come either from 5, 6, 7 or 8, 2, but where it will gonna fall, it will gonna fall on of course 4, right? It will gonna fall, this is n square, right? So the last series, which is Fund series, 3 more, right? Let me take this, right? So when electron coming from anywhere falling on n5, wait, let me make 1 more, falling on n5, the series we get here is Fund series. Here n2 would be either 6, 7, 8, and an electron can come from 9 as well. But n1 would always be what? It would be 5, because we know that electron coming from anywhere would fall on n5 if that is a fund series. I have already discussed with you the Humphrey series, which is the sixth series, in which electron coming from anywhere means n2 there would be 7, 8, 9, or it can come from 10 as well. But n1 would always be 6, because they will gonna fall on 6th orbit. And this is what? This is Humphrey series. Humphrey series. So this was all for today. In the next video we're gonna discuss about the defects of Neil Bohr's atomic model.